Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a delicious, quick and easy spicy shrimp pasta. It is absolutely easy to make, takes no time. Before I begin, if you're new here, please take a quick moment to subscribe, like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. We're going to start by boiling our pasta. I am using penne pasta today. My water's already boiling, so we're going in with that, pour that in. And also we're going to add in a little bit of chicken bouillon with some salt. Give that a quick mix just like this. We're going to allow this to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's al dente, drain the water, we'll set aside. Next, we're going to season the shrimp. I'm using 1 pound of large and deveined shrimp. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Mix that up really quickly. And now we're going to season. I'm using a little bit of Cajun Crush, which is my seasoning. I'll be down below. And also some garlic powder with some dry parsley. Just pour that in, mix it up. I have some cayenne pepper as well to give it that spiciness that we want. There you go. Going to set that aside for now. All right, guys, my pasta is nice and al dente. I am going to remove it and set it aside, looking good. Before you do, just grab a little bit of that pasta water. We'll need it for later. Just save some of it, about a cup. Just set that aside. And now we're going to drain the pasta and set aside. It's time to cook the shrimp, so I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Next, I'm going in with the shrimp. Going to pan sear the shrimp until they're nice and golden brown. Once they start curling up, that means they are ready to be flipped, or once you see the tail is pink, it is ready to be flipped. All right, time to flip my shrimp over. They are looking good, as you guys can see. Beautiful. Just flip them over really quickly. It didn't take long at all for them to cook, especially using this frying pan. Ooh, the aroma in here is absolutely delicious. You're gonna have your whole kitchen smelling good. You're gonna let it go for another minute. Then we'll remove, set aside. Time to remove the shrimp so we can set it aside. It smells so good. And I know the flavor is about to be busting, okay? Using the same skillet, I am going in with 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. I'm going to allow that to fry for a little bit. We got some tomato paste going in. Fry that up. Ooh, you need to really fry that tomato paste so you can remove that raw tomato paste flavor. Also, guys, this is a Haitian inspired dish to me. I'm using some épices. It's pretty much green onion, bell peppers, parsley, thyme, all of that good stuff in there. It's very similar to sofrito. I'm going to add that in. If you don't have épices, you can just use some garlic. And there's garlic in here as well. Just a tablespoon. You need to fry that, okay? So you fry that really good. Now I'm going in with about half an onion, finely chopped. And also we have some sun-dried tomatoes going in as well. Give that a quick mix. Let everything fry up. Now is the perfect time for you to grab your pasta water. Pour that in slowly. Now, if you have chicken broth, you can use that as well. Just slowly add that in. Slowly. You don't want to make it too watery now. But you need your pasta to be nice and saucy. Something like this, a little bit tiny more. I'm going to add the remaining of that seasoning that I was using earlier. I got some spinach going in as well, optional, you know. Maybe a little bit more of that pasta water. Sometimes you can eyeball it just to see if it's gonna be enough. Okay, so I use about 1.5 cups of that water. Now I can add my pasta. Pour that in. Give it a mix, little by little. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. And now I am going in with the shrimp. Pour that in, just like this. Ooh, looks really, really good. And also, I'm going in with some fresh parsley. Can't go wrong with that. Let's add some freshly grated parm. It smells so good. So, so good. And give that a quick mix. Ooh, how quick was this recipe, y'all? Quick, easy, delicious. Oh my, it smells amazing. Especially that sun-dried tomatoes. I can smell it. Like I can smell it. It smells so good. And there you have it. Spicy shrimp pasta. Delicious. I mean, if you don't want it spicy, you don't have to add the cayenne pepper, but you know, really, really good. It is time for the taste test. How beautiful is this pasta? It's looking so good. I'm talking about restaurant quality, okay? Let's give it a try because I'm hungry and I know you guys are ready to see my reaction. So let's give it a try. Cheers. You guys, this pasta recipe is the most delicious pasta that you can make. Less than 30 minutes. Quick, easy, delicious. Hopefully you guys can try this out very, very soon for the family. And thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new here. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.